Well, good morning. Welcome to what I call Back to Basics, Back to School. Welcome to School of Line Dancing. Well, what is School of Line Dancing? Let me start off with what it's not. Okay? Right. I think some of you have heard me say this in my classes. This is not sanctioned or accredited by the school district. This is not for competition. So if you're here to learn what it's all about and you try to compete, let me just say you're in the wrong spot. Okay? It is not for developing another instructor, another maestro, for example. No, this is not all that. Okay? What it is number one, is for me to bring to you the knowledge that I have accumulated the past 20 years since I had my research materials here. Not all of them, but 20 years ago I did some research and this is actually what I got. This is sorting through what I had kept so far. I kind of brought only the condensed versions. And that's basically because in 2006, that's when I was about to take over Jim McDonald's class in Napa. So there's a reason why I did some research. So meaning, with this forum, I'm sharing you already a research materials. Everything else is on Google now. You can just say Google, but it's more like the highlights of what I have found 20 years ago. Then, this is my forum to share with you the skills of what I have learned from the circuit pros that I've been following. I started going to Vegas Dance Expo in 2013. So it's in that era, so I would say 11 years, I'm able to pick up some skills from the pros that we follow. Some of you know them if you see my logo. See my logo? It's anybody who signed in my boots. Those are the secret pros that I follow. Anyway, welcome. And the third, of course, is techniques. So far, I've developed a methodology and techniques on how to make people learn quick and easy. Because the objective is really learn and have fun quickly. I always say life is short, right? So you might as well learn quick. So 3 things that we want to achieve in this School of Line Dancing, okay? Knowledge, skills, techniques. And this is again nothing new that I will say I had to reinvent. No, it's really picking the brains and the styles of all the people that I've met along the way. So basically that's the objective, and I'm glad you're here to witness the opening of our School of Line Dancing. Okay. Took me a while to convince people, but here's the main bulk of what we're going to talk about. Now you can open up this one. It's what they call, true enough, spreadsheet. And you're going to say, why? Why am I doing spreadsheet? This is just the bulk. If you sign up for the full course, you will notice, and obviously once I do a PowerPoint of this one, it will be more visible when I put it on YouTube. I prepared 10 rhythms. Okay, basically 10 rhythms. I don't expect you to learn them in one shot. That's why I said the opening day is the introduction, the general knowledge, the overview. And we will go on by one. And the first one, just like in my normal class setting, will be number 1, which is the straight 8 count. That to me is where everything evolves. Okay? So put that down for a while. I'm just saying it's a spreadsheet of all the dances that I've learned how to teach. And before we go, we need to do some background there on what line dancing is all about.